Hello, you are very welcome. I am about to do a easy DIY idea for you for your wedding. So you can find guest books everywhere, but if you want to do something a little bit more personal, this is something that I think is really easy. I got it from the Art and Hobby shop. This book itself, it is €4 and it's really pretty, lovely label on it, and inside you've got all of these beautiful blank pages. This would be ideal if you've got a Fuji pic or some pictures that you want to get put in and guests can write around it, but it's only $4.50, so it's a really good deal. But I appreciate that at the front it's, I suppose, just a little bit bland. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to make it a little bit more interesting. So you could even have your wedding date, your names, you can add whatever you want to it. It's just a really nice keepsake. So from the Art and Hobby shop, you can buy a bag of scrabble letters that are only, I think this was something like $2.99, so it's not expensive at all. And then you can get bigger bags that go up to $7.99, but this is perfect for me because I'm not doing a big job on it. And then I would highly recommend you get these little adhesive things. They're called Stick It. They're $1.75, and basically they're like these foam just double-sided sticky pieces. So what that will do is it'll keep a nice elevation as well out for it, so it just really sticks out quite nicely. Now you can still use normal glue. I would use a glue gun, or you can use the Art and Hobby shop's Stick It, but this is much better because on this sort of material, say if you don't put something down at the angle you want and you have to lift it up, that glue can just leave a big dark circle with it, and it can seep sometimes, whereas this is a really nice clean cut. And when you go to pick it off, you will see here, it's like really tiny. So what you do is you get your letter. So in this case we're saying guest book. There's one sticky side, stick that on the Scrabble piece, and then you'll see on the back here, you are literally just picking off the protection there. Got a sticky piece, and then you are literally, a child could do it, sticking it down. In fact, get a child to do it, sticking it down, and then you will have the perfect little guest book. And it would be really cute to have the date of the wedding in there too. So that is the basic, the bare minimum basic of DIY in less than 2 minutes. Enjoy!